Did you just get yourself an Elvie pump, or are you interested in getting an Elvie pump and you're looking for a tips and tricks video? Well, you can start here. In this video, I'm going to give you everything you need to know about your Elvie pump or lead you to the appropriate video on my channel. So stay tuned. I just want to let you guys know that any videos I mention in this video you can find in the description box below, perfectly labeled for you guys so you know exactly where to go, and you will also see it at the end screen of this video. So getting into it, guys, if you are interested in the Elvie pump and all the little details about it, definitely check out my Willow versus Elvie video where you will learn about its life capacity, how it's used, and all the fun little factors about it. A few common problems that the Elvie users come across. Number one, if your Elvie is not providing appropriate suction. I have a video about Elvie troubleshooting where you can troubleshoot your Elvie to make sure you have a good pump, because if you don't, your product is under warranty and you definitely want to make sure that you're reaching out to the Elvie company as soon as possible. Now, let's say you went through that video and it is not the Elvie suctioning and it's not your Elvie pump and it's completely fully functional. The other thing you want to make sure that you're looking at is that when it comes to pumping, your green disc needs to be completely dry, because if it's not, it will provide some sticking. It will stick to your pump and to its parts and you will not get good suction. So you want to make sure your parts are put together really well and your green disc is dry. Another thing that can usually affect your suction levels for your Elvie pump is the green duckbill valve. You want to make sure that's appropriately placed into your pump and is not rubbing against the walls of the pump, as you see here. The green duckbill valve needs to be pointing upwards so that you're getting your appropriate suctioning with your pump and not rubbing against the walls of the pump. Now, let's say you're continuing to have suction problems. You've made sure your duckbill is properly placed. You made sure your pump properly works with the troubleshooting video. You made sure your pump parts are dry and appropriately working. Well, there's one other thing that you can try. You can also try some flange inserts, and these inserts will help you create friction. Increased friction means better suctioning. So definitely check out my flange insert video in the links in the description box below. Let's say you have the opposite problem. You have elastic nipples or your nipples are too slippery. You can also use that flange video to help you out with that. Now, let's say you want to learn more about how to clean and sterilize your pump. One other big thing that I see Elvie users is the fact that their Elvie parts start to warp, especially when you sterilize under extreme heat conditions. So definitely check how to clean your Elvie and sterilize your Elvie video that I have here in the description box below. Let's say your Elvie app is not properly measuring how much milk you're actually pumping. Well, one of the biggest tips for Elvie pump users is to use a dark black bra. I also have a recommended list of Willow and Elvie bras. Check out that video to figure out which bra you like best before you invest in that. And just remember, a dark black bra is the way to go to make sure your measurements are accurate. Other measurement issues and how your Elvie pump measures the milk in your actual pump while you're pumping, you can check out the Elvie measurement video to give you more information on that. Let's say your pump is leaking through your clothes. I also have a leaking Elvie video solution for you as well. Another really common problem about the Elvie and Willow pumps: will the Elvie pump affect my supply? Actually, guys, nobody can tell you that, because the way you know if a pump affects your supply is how well it empties you out. Check out my video on that as well. I hope this was helpful for you to compile everything you need about the Elvie pump and some great tips and tricks video for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any other problems or issues with your Elvie pump, and I will make sure to get back to you with a solution. Or let us know if you have any hints. And guys, you are awesome. Remember to be a shark.